My daughter, Debbie's sister, died from Hodgkin's lymphoma. So that was the catalyst for getting us into the program to start with, Dr. Gua. Amy Glazer got me involved with Tackle Kids Cancer. To see young children sick, it's just one of the saddest things that I can imagine. It's good to know from Dr. Giglio that the donations, contributions, etc., have helped immensely.
Lisa was my best friend. She helped bring me up and make me who I am. I could never have imagined that this would have happened. She would be blown away that there's a foundation in her name and that it's making such a difference and that she's saving lives through her foundation.
There's not a day that can go by that I don't walk past the picture of Lisa or sit down at a desk and Lisa's right in front of me. And I'm 99.5% sure that she would have joined us if that were the situation.
You know, I know some other donors, and I know Paul. He really was the impetus for making a donation here. K. Hovnanian Children's Hospital really aligned with our values. At Jenkinson's, we're known as a family fun place, and I think we're pretty well known up and down the entire Jersey Shore, and we couldn't be more excited to help the Children's Hospital and help the families out that visit us all summer. It's an honor to be able to be in the position to provide support to the hospital and in turn those families that need help. You know, you have to look to yourself, and I think there's an obligation there. The biggest impact we'd like our giving to be would just knowing that children are being taken care of, that they're being provided with the best health care possible close to home. They don't have to travel to a big city and have their schedules disrupted. I feel like you could see a direct impact just taking a walk through here in the lives of children that are being impacted by their care here at the hospital. Makes you feel really great knowing that they're gonna be able to get home, be healthy, be stronger than when they came here, and they're gonna receive the care that they need right close to home.
My son Nick is a great kid. He's got a lot of strengths. He would not be who he was today without the perseverance of the autism community. When my son was diagnosed with autism, I had limited resources in terms of information at the time, and I found getting information really was word of mouth. That feeling of being alone with this diagnosis, I'll never forget. I watched a presentation on what Hackensack was going to contribute towards the autism community, and I was very moved by the efforts that they are putting towards making the lives of autistic children better. I feel like I'm affecting change by participating in the initiative. It gives me comfort for future families that get that diagnosis. And it took a lot of time and research and talking to other families with autistic children to figure out the right path for him. One of the biggest milestones that I will remember is when he graduated from the autism nursery school. They had a graduation ceremony for him because he was so happy to be going to the same school his brothers went to, which was the public school in our town. He's living on his own, going to college, and making the most of what's being offered to him. By getting involved in this, I'm hoping to contribute to future families and future generations of autistic children.